Hey, this is Miss Sebastian, and we're going to look at volume of rectangular prisms. Okay, remember the volume formula is length times width times height. So all we're going to do is plug in our values. It does not matter which one's length, width, or height. So I'm just going to multiply 4 times 1 times 2. 4 times 1 is 4, times 2 is 8, and we always need to have our units. So this would be 8 centimeters cubed. Okay, the volume of this one, same thing. We're just going to plug it in. We've got 4 times 1/2 times 2. Well, 4 times 1/2 is 2, times 2 is 4, and that would be centimeters cubed. Okay, if you are using your handy dandy calculator, that is just fine. Okay, number 3, same thing. Volume is length times width times height. So I'm just going to multiply these together. 4 times 1 times 1/2. Well, 4 times 1 is 4, times 1/2 is 2, and that is centimeters cubed. Okay, a fish tank is 10 inches long, 6 inches wide, and 10 inches tall. How much water can this fish tank hold? So this is another volume problem. We know that the length is 10, the width is 6, and the height is 10. There we go. So 10 times 6 is 60, times 10 is 600, and that is inches cubed. A cookie box is 10 centimeters tall, 6 centimeters wide, 6 centimeters long, and 3 centimeters wide. It doesn't matter which order, but I'm going to go by what it says. So 6 inches long, 3 inches wide, and 10 centimeters tall. So 6 times 3 is 18, times 10 is 180, and that would be centimeters cubed. Okay, when full of a 5/8 inch binder is 8 inches tall, 8 inches wide, 11 inches tall, and 5/8 inches thick. So I'm just going to plug that in, and you can use your handy dandy calculator if you feel that would help you. And writing that out, you do get 55 inches cubed. A box of spaghetti is 3 inches wide, 10 inches tall, and 2/3 of an inch thick. What is the volume of the box? So 2/3 times 3 is 2, times 10 is 20, and that is inches cubed. What is the volume of this prism? So the volume equals 3 times 4 times 5. So 3 times 4 is 12, times 5 is 60, and that is meters cubed. Number 9, what is the volume of this prism? So I'm just going to plug in the lengths they give me. Doesn't matter which order. 4 times 5 is 20, times 10 is 200, and that is yards cubed. A game box is in the shape of a rectangular prism. It's 18 inches long times 12 inches wide times 3 inches high. So all I need to do is multiply those together, and I get that the box is 648 inches cubed. Okay, a cereal box measures 6 1/4 times the width, which is 20, times the height, which is 30. So I'm going to turn this into a decimal just so that it's easier to plug in. So 6.25 or 6 25 times 20 times 30. When I multiply, I get that the volume of the cereal box is 3,750 centimeters cubed, or cubic centimeters.